leafy greens. What is the deal with these things and why should we eat them? We should eat them because they are packed with nutrients that interact with our bodies and create health. Grown with the power of the sun energy into our bodies. A lot of people want to know how to get more energy. I don't know a more powerful source of energy than the sun. A lot of people have difficulty eating these things called greens. I think that the best way is with Asian flavors. Go figure. A little bit of garlic and the magical ingredient, fermented tofu. This is a Chinese brand. I got it from the Korean grocery store called H Mart. You can buy this in Amazon, so I will link it because I know not everybody's got a Korean or any kind of Asian grocery store near them. It doesn't smell funky. I guess it kind of smells funky because it's fermented, but not funky in like a gross way. They're just chunks of tofu. It looks like cheese. They're in cubes. And this is what it looks like. I would not eat this on its own, absolutely not. But this is the flavoring agent that just opens us up into a magical world of Asian flavors. Before you open it, it is just shelf stable. As soon as you open it, pop it in the fridge, and it will keep for months and months. This can be fried in oil, but we're not gonna do that today. So I'm gonna cook this entire thing, and when I'm looking at this bunch, how much garlic do I need? I just kind of go with how I feel, and that's what I want you to do too. You know, are you a garlic fiend like me? You're gonna go heavy-handed on the garlic. So I think that looks good to me. I also kind of just let the universe dictate what I'm gonna use. I tore this in half. These cloves fell out. I'll just use those. That looks fantastic. So let's just peel these. And we're going to put in about 2 cubes of the fermented tofu. We really just need 1. I'm gonna make mine very fermenty today. Let's just slice these up. No need to mince them. Just slice it up. If you have a garlic peeler, one of those things that crush the garlic, that works too. If you would like to mince your garlic using a little grater, you can do that too. I'm just gonna do this with my garlic, pop it all in here. Instead of cooking this in oil, what we're gonna do is just add hot water to it. And just mix it up. And what you're doing is you're just melting the fermented tofu. And it's going to look like a very creamy sauce. And with the boiling water, the garlic is going to start to cook a little bit. But here you just kind of mix it in. And this is gonna be the sauce that we pour over our dark leafy greens. Now, this can be used with dark leafy greens of any kind. Spinach, bok choy, Swiss chard, but also green vegetables, asparagus, broccolini, green beans, really anything, a bunch of cabbage. So it just makes eating vegetables delightful. Yum. So what does it smell like? Yeah, it smells a little bit like miso, maybe a lot like miso, but the flavor is very different. Like, it's intensely delicious. We want our stainless steel pans to be hot, really hot, especially since we're not using oil to make this dish. That way it doesn't stick as much as it would otherwise. How do you know if your pan is ready? If you drop a little bit of water and it starts beating up into little balls, then your pan is hot enough. We are ready. Greens, go in. Your lovely sauce goes in. Ow! Be careful. How How long do I do this for? About a minute. Let's mix it around. There is quite a bit of liquid in here right now. So let's just let the garlic cook down just a little bit and let the liquid evaporate a little bit. We'll need a little salt. Taste test one. Yeah. The stems are still a little bit tough, so let's do that. I've killed the heat, and they are looking gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So let's go to plate. If you want this sauce to be a little thicker, you can always mix in a little bit of cornstarch. I'm not going to do that though. I'm going to gather all that garlic, pour it on top. And there we go. Bit of a pooly mess. But look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, if you could taste this right now. I wish I could give this to you. It's so good.